Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add video effects on TikTok. So here I'm going to edit videos in TikTok and I'm going to add the video effects. So first click on the plus icon and select the videos that you want to upload. Okay, after you select the photos or videos, click on next and it will load. Okay, so after this, if you want to add a video effects, go to the edit. On the right panel in here, click on edit. Then click on effects at the bottom. And TikTok will show you some of the trending video effects, but you can always explore more. Here there are lots of categories that you can select from the categories. So for example, here I'm going to add the I'm going to just use a trending one. Let's try the vibrant color effect. This is the video effects, or let's try the aqua tone like this. So you can just select the video effects that you like. After that, click on a check icon. If you want to make it or apply it to the whole video, just drag it like this. Okay, after that, this is the result. And you can click on next, then upload your videos. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.